Hi guys, my name is Ben Fankhauser, and today we're going to be talking about Salesforce's Agentforce. And in particular, we're going to address the question of whether or not Agentforce can help your team reduce ticket backlog. So let's hop in. In a general sense, the word ticket backlog just means that there are too many open cases. Well, this is the main problem. It generally comes down to three things. 1, inefficient case routing. 2, slow case resolution times. And 3, too many unnecessary tickets or cases being created. I'm happy to report that Agentforce can address all three of these issues. So without further ado, let's go see what Agentforce can do. So first, Agentforce can speed up case triage and routing. Instead of cases sitting in a queue waiting for manual assignment, Agentforce can automatically categorize cases and route them to the right team or agent. For instance, or for example, if a customer submits a case and the email that they send is about a billing issue, they have a lot of grievances, and it seems to be pretty critical. AI can detect the wording, they can put a sentiment score to it, they can mark the case as a billing case and then also as a high priority, and then escalate that or route it to the correct individual. This results in no delays and no backlog buildup. The second thing that Agentforce can do is it can help resolve cases faster. While Agentforce can do this, generally speaking, I would recommend Einstein Next Best Action. That is essentially AI suggestions for next best actions. However, Agentforce can also do this. So let's say an email is sent and you need to respond to that email. Agentforce can draft up an email for you and identify like the main points that you need to hit on and then automate that email. They can schedule the email to be sent. So that is another way that Agentforce can help resolve cases faster, is it can do some of the communication for you, or at least some of the brunt work of the communication. And finally, and this is probably the main thing that Agentforce can do for you, is it can prevent unnecessary cases from being created by solving those cases immediately. So before a customer submits a ticket, Agentforce can suggest help articles or troubleshooting tips, and it can also even do actions. So for an example of this is, let's say you need help with your order and you want to change the date of your order and when it arrives. Agentforce can handle that. They don't have to submit a case and then it's sent to an agent and then the agent go and do the action of adjusting the date. Agentforce can do that for you. A great example of this is Salesforce has a case study from a company called Inforge. Inforge. They talk about how this exact thing is happening in their business today. So before we go, I just wanted to show you what Agentforce looks like when it comes to preventing unnecessary cases from being created. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And what this looks like is this is just the tester, the builder of Agentforce. And this is a test run of a conversation. Basically, what I said is, hey, can you help me with my delayed order? It asks for my information. I give it. And then it says, hey, it looks like you have an order for a t-shirt and that it's delayed. What do you want to do with it? And I said, hey, when can it be delivered by? And they say, hey, just give me a time to deliver it. And I said, hey, can you do it this Friday? Agentforce essentially then takes care of scheduling the delivery of that product. So, and this is just an example, but overall, Agentforce can reduce ticket backlog. And if you want to know more or you want some demos, please reach out to the team below, follow, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.